Okay, so let's look at the answer to the example shown on the previous page. So where would you move your stop to break even? Our break even rule here is after 5 price bars have completed, counting the entry bar as well. So which bar do we actually enter on? Is it this one here? This one? This green one? Or maybe this big red one? Well, the answer is this one right here, because that is when price first touches the entry price, shown by the black line. So we've got 1 price bar. Remember, we're counting the entry bar here. 2 price bars. 3 price bars. 4 price bars. And 5 price bars. So at the completion of this 5th price bar, we want to move our stop to break even. So when that bar indicated closes, we then move our stop to break even. Okay, so that was a simple enough example. If you just go through to the next page, we'll go over another one.